guys, we are kind of in a rush, so I'm gonna keep this quick, but we are just about to head out the door to my parents' house. It's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thanksgiving Thursday, and for years, Jonathan has wanted to know how to make a turkey. Normally my parents just supply us with food, but this year him and my dad are getting together and he's gonna learn how to make the turkey. And my dad makes the best stuffing ever, so that's gonna be my food lesson today. And quick disclaimer, my parents are retired and Jonathan works in his own office, no contact with anyone. You guys know I've been staying home and I'm certainly not socializing. I can't actually socialize, we're locked down. And I'm not about to eat outside in the cold at a restaurant. So the four of us are getting together for Thanksgiving, plus my sister Katie, who works from home also and who also is not socializing, and then my mother-in-law who's retired and she's not socializing. So it's gonna be the six of us together on Thanksgiving, but again, we've been secluded. Everyone's taking it very seriously. None of us wanna get sick or be the reason that somebody that we love gets sick. So intimate family gathering. My sister, who's married to a firefighter, is not gonna be there. She's gonna be spending time with her in-laws. So the one person in the family who might have a little more exposure, even though he's in his full personal protective equipment, will not be there. So we're not gonna be a part of this super spreader situation. We're just getting together, learning how to cook some good food, and really excited to eat some good food. If I'm being honest, I'm not thrilled about the turkey. I don't eat the turkey any year. My dad has always just made the turkey because it's like an American tradition, but the meal that we focus on as a family is always lasagna, and we're Italian, we love eating lasagna, but my dad likes the tradition of having a turkey. He wants the house to smell like turkey, so every year he makes it. Lola, get off that table. You know you're not allowed on there. These cats are so bad. They're really helping me with my patience for when my human baby comes. What was I saying? Turkey, he makes it. No one really eats it. I don't love it. My mom doesn't love it. One of my sisters is a vegetarian, so clearly she doesn't eat it, but he just likes the idea of it. And I'm married to someone who wants to keep the tradition going and learn how to make it on his own. So that's already been a long enough intro. Let's get to cooking.
What's the serving of that?
How many does that serve, Dad?
37.
37.
That sounds right. It's Italian numbers.
Small family gathering. It is the Friday after Thanksgiving. We've got our Christmas decorations about to go up and the help, Jonathan's downstairs making noise, the help of the cats. So this is always a controversial topic of discussion, but my personal opinion is the official day to start decorating for Christmas is the Friday after Thanksgiving. I love Christmas. I love Christmas decorations. In my own little fantasy land, I would have Christmas decorations up all year and listen to Christmas music all year, but you need to respect the holidays that come before it. And my mom has a saying, she always said you need to shit the turkey out before you decorate for Christmas. So pardon my French for that one, but that's just the advice that I've been given my entire life, and that's what we do in our household. Hi. How excited are you?
Bah humbug.
This is Ebenezer Scrooge carrying up our big Christmas tree. I gotta get out of the way here. And you may have noticed I already have a Christmas tree bag out. The cats have their own Christmas tree. Sorry for the background noise. I was saying the cats have their own Christmas tree just because they're very spoiled, and I bought it when I was living in an apartment. It's just necessary to have 2 Christmas trees. I found this little bear. This is my first Christmas from 1986, and next year we're gonna make one of these my first Christmas 2021 for our little babe. We've got to deck the bar cart as well. I've got my little garland around it. Whoops. And don't worry, I'm not touching the bar cart this holiday season. And if we come into the living room, somebody already had an exciting pre-Christmas day. Wake up.
Huh? Hello?
No, he just got new shoes that he's very excited about. So while I have been decorating and filming decorating, he's literally been staring at these shoes. But that's okay. He carried all the heavy boxes up, and you're gonna help me put up the tree, right?
No.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am.
People will yell at you if you don't.
I will put up the tree.
He will. So we're taking a little mini break. We've got the tree mostly up. We need to get more hooks for the ornaments, but I want to do a little ornament tour for you. And these are just going to be my personal ones because I did mention the cats have their own Christmas tree and they have their own special ornaments. So our personal ornaments, Jonathan and Jackie, our first Christmas together. And then we bought Santa on, what's this boat called? The Natchez?
Yeah.
In New Orleans when we got engaged. And we went to the Arc de Triomphe in Paris and picked up this ornament at the top of that. And then I have just a little Ireland, I don't know why my camera's not focusing, there we go. Ireland 2017. With my parents and both my sisters and just my brother-in-law. Went on that trip. And then this one I love. Let's see if we can get it to focus a little better. We can't. I don't know what's going on with the focus. Anyway, it just is a newlywed one, and maybe it's okay that it's not focusing because our last name is at the bottom of it, but it's just a newlywed ornament. And then my parents got us this one. It says engaged and the day we got engaged, and then just a little love mom and dad. And then my mom got me this flight attendant in 2013, the year I started flying. Just says Jacqueline. It's a little stewardess. And let me edit this part or cover this part. We have an Our First Home ornament with our address. And then I bought this beautiful Irish knot, Celtic knot in Ireland. That's probably one of my favorite ornaments. It's so beautiful. And Jonathan and I got this in Cancun in 2015. I'm asking,
I think so.
2015 on one of our vacations in
2015.
Mexico.
2015.
And then I got this from my mom. It's an Italian lemon and it says Cinque Terre from Italy. And my mom also got me this airplane. Just says Bora Bora in Argentina 2016. And of course, you can't really see this one. Our first Christmas as Mr. and Miss. And I think those are all of our important like personal ornaments. And then I have Rome, and just me and my sister Katie and my parents went in 2019. And hold on, Johnny is here. Oh, the most important ornament of all, T-Rex. Sparkly T-Rex. All right, hold it so they could see. I'm actually saving this one for my nephew to put on, but yes, this is a very important, shiny, glittery T-Rex. I'm a dinosaur fan. Obviously, I love sparkles, and I'm gonna have my nephew hang that ornament for us. So my mom and nephew just came over and brought some Dunkin' Donuts, and I'm just gonna heat it up in my festive little Holly-Yays cup, and then we're gonna decorate the tree for the cats. All right, so my nephew helped put the cat tree up. And I told you guys I just had a small tree because I had a small apartment, but I wanted the cats to have a Christmas tree every year. So Logan has a stocking, and then I got a dog, so I have his ornament still. And let's see here. Lola's got her stocking, little Merry Christmas Logan ornament. So just a bunch of fun decorations for the cats. And there used to be a picture of Logan on here when he was tiny. And my dog's first Christmas, he ate all of my cat ornaments and left his ornaments alone. So I still need to repair this one, but I put it up anyway.